Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, transmission 6-speed automatic, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.